What's going on, everybody? This is the day I've been waiting for I don't know, months. So I ordered oars from Venice, Italy. I want to say back in maybe June, and it is almost the end of September. Things are taking a while to get here from Venice. So right here, I have a bunch of brand new oars. Very excited to open this box up. Let's see what we got inside. I'm a little nervous. I still have not opened this box yet. I've had it for a day now. Picked it up from the warehouse yesterday. Come on, please, 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 nothing be broken. Remember, was built in Italy, put on a container ship, sent over for 8 weeks at sea, then in warehouses, semi-trucks, everything. I'm nervous. Things, this will be fun. Oh. Moment of truth. Oh, I'm so happy. One beautiful Gondola oar made by Piero. Piero, if you get to see this, grazie mille, or grazie mille, thank you so much. Look at this woodworking. This is an oar to our Sondolas, which is our smallest of the rowboats. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful piece of wood. Check this thing out. I wonder if you can see a sticker. Oh, sticker. Oh, there you go. That's his brand. This guy's been making oars for quite a while. Okay, one. Good. Time to see the others. So far, so good. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what these are, but he sent me a little something, something. Got some earrings here. These are little forculas. This is what makes the boat go, and he turned them into earrings. I obviously won't be rocking these, but I have a feeling I can find somebody. Irina, these are for you. Oh, beautiful. So excited right now. All right, time to get these on the boat. Guys, I got a big day ahead of me. Got to get these going. We're having some fun today, filming something fun later. Maybe I'll tell you guys later on. Ciao for now.